All right, children, the time now is 5:29. We'll start in 1 more minute. And today I'm very happy again. All right, got about 12 of you attempted my homework. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 of you attempted the homework. Good job. All right, so children, now the time is 5:30. Let's begin lesson.
McDonald.
All right, so last week, right? Darius McDonald's, are you going to buy McDonald's for all of us? All right, do you need all of our address? Okay, come, children. So last week, right, I left one piece of homework for you guys, and many of you stay back to do the homework. Really very good, are you guys? Asking you all to go away, but everybody stay back to do your homework. Good job, good job. All right, so remember this question? It's talking about Ben. Yes, not burn, Ben. All right, then what is happening? Okay, Ben is now facing northwest. So now Ben is facing northwest. So this is now. Now. Right. This is after he turned 270 clockwise. What is the meaning of 270? 270 is actually 3 sets of 90. 3 sets of 90 degrees. All right. So you can do a guess and check. This is like one set of 90, another set of 90, and another set of 90. Is this the answer? Is this the answer? All right. So you can do a guess and check because this type of question is an either or. It's an either or. All right. So can the purple be the answer? Because got 3 sets of 90, right? Okay. So now, if Ben is facing southwest, he turned what? He turned 270 degrees clockwise. What will happen? 1, 2, 3. He should be facing southeast, right? So it means that the purple is incorrect, right? The purple is incorrect. So where is the other direction you can turn, right? Because I told you, right, it's either or, right? All right, the other direction is this, right? Now he's facing northwest. You can turn another 90, another 90, and another 90, right? Is it northeast? Can this be the answer? All right. So if he's facing northeast, he turned 270 degrees. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Correct. He will be facing what? Northwest. So actually answer is a B. Do you understand, children? All right, so this is our question, right, children? It's either or. All right, it's either or. So all you got to do is to choose correctly, choose wisely. All right. So again, right, a quick one. What's the meaning of either or? All right, what's the meaning of either or? Every time I see a 270, it means 3 sets of 90, right? So this is like 1 set, 2 set, 3 set. All right, so can this be the answer? Or the other direction, all right? It can be either left or right, right? All right, the other direction. Look, 1 set, 2 set, 3 set. Can this be the answer? All right, so there's only 2 possibilities. One is northeast and the other one is southwest. You look, don't have southwest, right? So the answer must be northeast. Also can. Can or not, children? Then, of course, you do a double check. If his starting is here, he make a 270 degrees clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Correct. Then it's the northwest. Understand, our children? So the meaning of clockwise means what? Going towards your right hand side, like that. That's called clockwise. So children, learn to use all these techniques, MCQ techniques. You can apply in math, you can apply in science. All you got to do is to get rid of all the wrong answer. Then you can choose from the correct answer and you choose from the better answer. And that will be the correct answer. All right, so this was the last week's homework. Can? All right, very simple. And thank you, Olivia. I saw your answer. Thank you so much. Okay, come, children, let's go into the paper 2 kind of question. All right, later we'll be having a Kahoot. All right, but where is it? Let me see. Kahoot is after question 5. All right, in the center of the lesson. Can? All right, come. Let's talk about the questions first. The first question is quite simple. It's about something called the line of symmetry. Check this out. Whoa! The diagram is made up of squares. All right. I identified 2 more squares that has to be shaded. Right, you need 2 more squares that has to be shaded to form a symmetrical diagram with PQ as the line of symmetry. So this is the line of symmetry. You're supposed to give your answer in ascending order. What's the meaning of ascending? Small to big. Can? All right. So Darius, I saw your answer. Olivia Ong, I saw your answer on the chat. Thank you so much. Both of you, you are correct. Good job. Jasmine, I see your answer on the chat also. Thank you. Your answer is correct. All right, Brian also, thank you so much. Okay, so children, this is our question, right? Be careful. The reason why I call you to be careful because the line of symmetry is the slanting like that one. All right, so you have to do a what? Comparison. Raj, I see your answer is correct also. So can you see that this one is with this one? Can you see that this one is with this one? Can you see that this one is with this one? Ah, so you can draw pattern. This one is with this one. Can you see not? All right, so you can see across. This one This one is with this one. Can you see? So 7 need to be shaded. Can you see that? So you can do a comparison. All right. This one is with this one. How about this one? Okay, this one is with this one. Can you see? Can you see? So in this case, right? The rest are correct already, right? Yes. All right, the rest are correct. So which one must be shaded? Answer is the number 3 and also number 7. Can you see not? And you are supposed to put them in ascending order, 3 followed by 7. Yes, Felicia, I saw your answer. Raj, I saw your answer. Siyu, I saw your answer. Correct. Thank you so much for participating. All right. So again, right, your school teacher will not ask you to write the number. Your teacher will usually ask you to shade. So you must shade properly. Can? Shade neatly with a black pencil. All right. Obviously, pencil is black, right? Silly me. Yeah. Shade neatly with a pencil. Is that okay? Okay, come. That is for question 1. And I think most of you got correct, except for a couple of the students. All right. Please learn from mistakes. All right. Olivia Tong can understand, right? Right. Important that you need to know. And is there a Lucas here? All right. Lucas is supposed to be a new student, but yeah, never come. Never mind. Okay, come. Let's go into the next question. The next question is an extra question. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay, come. Extra question, Right, can you please try? All right, try. This is not inside your worksheet. Try. Looking for what is left. Mixed number. Simplest form. All right, can you please work it out? Right, if you can use your mental calculation, that would be great, but don't have to risk. Whoa, Kenny says super fast. Correct. Kenny, your answer is correct. Good job. The rest? All right, I need at least about 4 answers from you guys. Can you please try? Not difficult, seriously. Not difficult, very simple. Raj, are you there? I'm seeing Ronaldo's picture. Oh yeah, that's the Raj. Correct. Eldon, are you there? I'm seeing a black screen. Hey, Shafi, you also Christina, you also Ronaldo fan, is it? Yeah, you see all the Ronaldo fan. Hey, nobody like Messi, Why? Too messy, is it? No, Okay, Ken, I'm sorry. Okay, hey, Cat, you seriously showing me cat picture, It's cat, Hey, yeah, never mind. Wow, Toby very cool. Like munching some chewing gum like that. Can't stand it. Okay, so yes, Darius, you got the answer correct. Olivia Ong, correct. No. Olivia Ong, something wrong. You got 3 numbers correct. You're short of something. Right, Olivia Ong, can you please check again? Right, Candice and Darius, you're right already. Agnev, can you try or not? Very simple question. Come on, children. This is an extra question. Hello, Nicole. What's up, Nicole? Oh, yes, very good. Never give up, this girl, Olivia Ong. Very good. All right, so her second try, she got it correct. Very good. The rest of you? Hey-ya. Still thinking, is it? Okay, think. Give you 3 more seconds. Huh? Oh my goodness. Hey, Darius, why are you showing the warning balloon thing to us? Is it warning, don't eat McDonald's? Or is it warning, do not play with the balloon?
No,
All right.
no, it says children's under aliens can choke or suffocate on uninflated or broken balloons. Balloons are not distributed to customers. Uninflated, inflated balloons should only be handed up to the children under adult supervision.
Correct. So all these are actually quite quite important, all right, for safety safety reason, right? Because some of the kids they
Wait, but it came out inflated.
it came out inflated, then you go and inflate it then you get it wet. It's inflated already, what? Inflated should be okay. Right, it's the deflated that is quite dangerous, right? Yes, enough, correct. All right, so most of you got it already. All right, not most, got 4 of you out of the 16. Yeah. Okay, come. So Benjamin, right? He got ribbons. Yeah, Benjamin boy, do well with ribbon. Oh, sorry. He's buying a present for the mother. Right, come on, think. Okay, so Benjamin had 5 meters of ribbon. This is the total. Can you see something, children? See what, Jer? See this? Do you see the word meter? All right. He used 1/4 meter. You see, meter of ribbon on Monday. And 1/3 meter on Tuesday. What was the length of the ribbon that is left? Can you see now? When the units are the same. What happened? All right, units are the same. Units same. What can you do? You can plus or minus. Add or subtract. Right, with ease. All right. So down here, let me try to consolidate first. He used 1/4 meter on Monday. He used 1/3 meter on Tuesday. So in total, how much did he use on the both days? In this case, right, in order to add, you have to ensure that the denominator is the same. 4 and 3 is a 12. LCM is a 12. LCM means lowest common multiple. 4 times 3, 1 also must times 3. This is called equivalent fraction. 3 times 4, 1 also must times 4. This is called equivalent fraction. Fairness. 3 plus 4 will give you a 7 over 12 meter is being used. On what? On Monday and Tuesday. But the question is asking, how much was what? Left, right? All right. Not how much was right, how much was left, All right. So in the beginning of 5 meter, minus 7 over 12 meter that was used. And what do you do? Sure, I don't know how to do. Okay, don't panic. These 5 meters, right, it's like 5 holes. All right, you can actually look at it as 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and the last circle you're supposed to cut into what? 12 parts. Yeah, terrible. All right, supposed to cut into 12 parts. Down here got 12 parts or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have. Cut again. Oh yeah. Ah! All right, so the last circle, right, you're supposed to cut into 12 parts. Can? Then you go and minus away the 7 out of 12 parts. All right, so 12 minus 7 will give you what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will give you a 5 out of 12 meter remaining. And down here got 4 of them still down here. So that's the way to do it. All right, so most of you got the answer. That's good. Keep it up. Is that okay? All right, but sure, is there other method to do? Yes. Another method of doing this type of question, right? You have to try to make the 5 meter as a what? As a denominator of 12. Can or not? Can. 1 times 12, 12. 5 times 12, 60. All right, so you take 60 over 12 minus 7 over 12. So troublesome, the number so big, so scary. 53 over 12. Then what must you do? You must do the long division again. Sure, so troublesome. I know, right? 48. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 is 5. All right, so that is equal to 4 whole, remainder 5 over 12. It's still the correct answer. Right, so I'm just showing you different ways of doing it. I think this method is easier. Can? So you do the picturing of the circle inside your head. All right, then you can immediately write down the answer. It's faster. Is that okay, children? All right, so this is the one extra question. Not too difficult, not too difficult. Can? Okay, question number 2. Question number 2 is related to bar graph.